Okay guys, so we know how to like the certain post and we know how to manipulate the button, and then we know how to load the like in post and to show it to the user that this post already has been liked. Okay, now when we click the like in post, we want now to remove this like from this post. Okay, let's go and do this. Very important step in order to build this logic was to create a variable which is liked array, which will store all the liked posts. Okay, now how we will work, we'll build the logic if liked at certain index path row equals 1, then when we click this button, then we'll remove this. So here we will create a new variable which will be action. Initially it will be blank, and when the if liked at the index path row will be equals to 1, then means the post is already likened. Then we will cast action as remove, means it's already likened, then we want to delete the like. Else means if it is not equals to 1, means this post has not been likened, then we will cast action as insert. Okay, excellent. The following change will be when we click the post in the front end, we cast this that this post has been likened already. So we want to change this logic. I will cut this line of the code and I will keep it right here in the insert action. And the same thing we will do for the delete action. We will here insert blank integer at a certain index path. Here we are building logic or trigger or switcher to like or unlike the post. This is what we have done now. Okay, so now as the action here, we will have to make the reference to that value. So I will put left slash, and in the round brackets I'll make the reference to the action. Okay, so this is how we cast our action. Either it's for liking or disliking the certain post. It's quite interesting logic, and we can now see how does it work. We will build and run the project, and I got here some post which is liken, that is the one. I will click one more time, like has been removed, and I will click one more time on this, like has been removed. I'll scroll to the top, and this still showing that this is liken. Yeah, so like has been removed. Excellent. So another changes what we want to do is we want to manipulate the icon based on the action. Like has been removed or insert. Okay, so this where we set image, this is line, I will cut it and I will paste this line to the insert. When we like the post, then we won't change the image of the button to the liken. And the same conversion we want to do for the delete. Here we will put unlike.png. We can now build and run the logic, and it will be working super fine. Okay, so these are the posts. I'll click on this button, like has been registered. I'll scroll to the top, then scroll to the bottom. It's still showing as liked. Then I will like another post, like has been registered. And here this like disappeared. I don't know why. Like has been registered, why it got deleted. Let me click one more time. Like has been removed, and here like has been removed. Still there is a quite mess. I believe it's right here. So we got no likes. We'll try to redo it again. Okay, like is registered. I click one more time, so it's unlikened, so it's removed. Click one more time to like it, it's likened. Then let me like another post, and this like disappears. But it is still there, but it gets disappear from here. Okay, so probably the issue is the way we manipulate this here. Here I want to trace it. Like, and here I want to trace index path row. Aha, okay. Yes, when we insert it, it gets messed, yes. Here it will be like this. Okay, now everything will be working fine. When we insert, we just insert additional this value. Okay, so I will like this post, that is the one, so like has been registered. Then I will come back, it's still there, and then I will like another one. That one is still here, and that one is still here. And we have two likes here. And when I unlike it, like has been removed. This like is kept, and this like is removed. And then I will like it again, and we just rebuild it to make sure when we reload this, it's still showing as it's supposed to be shown. Very good. Here I will unlike it, like has been removed. And here I will unlike it as well. Like has been removed, and we got no likes. So this is how we can like, and this is how we can unlike our posts. That is really unbelievable result, guys. Good job, superb, and congratulations.